Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video we are going to talk about Duralast 2.5 ton floor jack you can find at local AutoZone store, cost about US dollar $159.99 plus tax. In this video we will open box, review and test. Once you open box, inside the box you will get, as always with all the parts, you will get a floor jack and some documents, some papers. Inside the paper you will get a instruction manual. It will guide you how you can use this floor jack and what is the precaution or warnings, and you will get warranty card. Once you open this floor jack and you're not able to return at local AutoZone store, you have to call at the number. Inside the box we have only two things. We have a shaft and two pieces. Basically this one you were gonna use to raise the jack, and it come in two pieces if you want to extend. It just connect each other, and floor jack with the two handles on the side to pick it up. Now it is out of the box and I felt it's really heavy. Weight is about like 80 to 85 pound, and it have a rubber cushion and some bevel. When we're gonna raise this jack, it gonna self-balance with the car, and actually you don't need to pick it up. You can move around. Back side two wheels are like moving all the sides, and front are like fixed. Anytime you have to roll away, you can use the back wheels to move around. As is right now, it look really nice, moving smoothly and have a heavy construction. And now we're gonna do some measurement. Length is about like 24-inch and width is 6.5 inch. From the front side, height is 3 inch. From the back side, it's 6 inch. As you can see at the bottom, it have a all metal, and there's two stainless steel springs, and they're holding piston. Once you pick up your floor jack, and it will bring at the normal position and have two PAM cylinders. As I heard about the PAM cylinders, they work really nice, they're really strong. And now we're gonna try to test. Before test, we're gonna look for the shaft to pick up to raise the jack. As you can see, shaft have a rubber cushion on it to hold, and at the front you can see there's a female square hole, and if you focus inside the floor jack, there is like same as a male side, and at the bottom there's a bolt to hold the shaft so it doesn't come off when you're moving around. So once you put a shaft in, you just push at the right spot and you can tighten the bolt and it will lock. And now if you can see at the middle, when I'm spinning shaft, that piece is spinning. That's basically when you're gonna raise or you're gonna bring it back your floor jack. To lock it, you gotta do the clockwise. To release, counterclockwise. Now we're gonna pick up all the way and we're gonna measure how high we can go. From the floor I measured it go like 19 inch. So now time to move and give a shot and test how it work. I'm trying to use this jack with the Nissan Altima 2012 because those kind of cars are really low and they don't have enough room underneath. As we use the other jacks, they made job really hard, so this jack will be perfect for these kind of cars. So I tried to use, and I think it helped me really good, because I always have a struggle to pick up those kind of car. Only one thing I found it wrong, like when I was picking up, the floor jack was moving because the wheels So you always have to press the brake pedals, and you need to lock the back tires with some wood blocks or concrete blocks. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.